fucking did it, boys. She runs. You got that there, buddy?
Dick.
Some custom tensioner tightening. Gonna run like a rape date.
How many fucking foot-pounds of torque does this booger need?
Let's see. Right about torque rating on your timing tensioner is about 2 Ooga Buggas.
All I do is
A yay. A yay is how you measure Newton meters.
fucking Arnold that bitch. Arnie it.
You know, this would be a lot easier, Justin, if you would have bought me that.
Start backing out again. Cheap piece of shit.
And we don't buy swivels from O'Reilly's. If somebody would have bought me a GoPro, I could work with you. Tape you.
That's all I need. Just a fucking camera up in the corner.
That's how Daddy do. Get her back together. Ready to flip one. 660 ready to tear shit up. A little bit of fire. A little bit of fire back there. Look at that nice aftermarket F&F. Yeah. Yes. We've brought her back to life. Got no plastics, but we'll get it. Yeah. Rape. Yeah. Raptor. Love it. You did a wheelie? I didn't see no damn wheelie. Yeah, I didn't see no damn wheelie. Do it again. Huh? I do it again. I didn't see no wheelie. Don't be a wuss. Shit's weak. Fucking like it. Fucking like it.